Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to do, have you heard of that animal mobility exercise? Maybe you want to try that, but you're just unsure, you're hesitant, you're shy, or for some reason you don't like to, you're lazy, or there's a lot of excuses that we have, right? So maybe um, maybe it can help if we like peek in this type of exercise. All right, so animal mobility exercise, let's try it. Okay guys, you see that? Animal mobility exercise, often called animal flow, improves strength, flexibility, and coordination by mimicking natural animal movements like crawls, walks, and reaches, with common examples like bear crawl, crab walk, scorpion reach. So we learn the basic movements like the beast crawl, which involves moving opposing limbs simultaneously to exhibit spinal rotation and weight transfer. Then we go to more an advanced exercise to build a well-rounded grounded fitness routine. So the key animal mobility exercises: bear crawl, beast crawl, crab walk, scorpion reach, traveling ape. These are different mobility animal exercise habits. So in tips, guys, as I've been reading about this, we have to listen to our body. These movements has no restrict sets or repetitions, and to work within our current flexibility and strength. We can start with the basics. Begin with the beast crawl or bear crawl to get comfortable, and then build a strong foundation. And then we can incorporate our routine. This may be existing fitness routine to improve overall functional fitness, balance, and coordination. We can always modify the practice, make it basic instead of, advanced. If a movement is challenging, scale it down to a more comfortable level, and then build necessary strength, flexibility, and control. Alright, so just enjoying this, guys. This one, it's kind of really using your body weight, and it's kind of strange because you're always like drooping to the ground, but it's really mimicking animal movement. So it's kind of somehow very kind of challenging, guys. I was already having a hard time, but as I am doing the flow or the habit, I'm able to realize that it's really about, repetitions.
Customer number 46,
All
please
right?
proceed to.
Guys, that has been our animal mobility, animal movements, some basic frog, there's cat, there's cow, there's a lot, guys. We will somehow, I don't wanna take it too serious, take it seriously like knowing the terms already, but the animal names, but somehow just looking at it, if you want some kind of a little bit of more of a cardio exercise, then this could be it, the animal movement practice habit. All right, so guys, you can start from 60 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour a day. Just try to squeeze it in our 24 hours. Remember, we have 24 hours in a day and we are given so much time. 8 hours, from what I've heard from a seminar, 8 hours sleeping, 8 hours working, and the 8 hours are the things we can do on our free time. So what else can you do aside from putting makeup, aside from going somewhere, aside from, a lot of hobbies that we do? What about exercising? All right, this is the channel, guys. So again, about routines, flows, schedules, small disciplines, exercise disciplines. This could be the channel. And discipline in eating, shy mukbang live streams, and recipes on my blogs and hacks. Take care of your health, guys. Just try, just start, just begin something worthwhile at home. Alright, guys. So thank you so much. There's Mika. You see? Thank you, guys.